How to design this poster using Canva. At first, open Canva and go to Custom Size. You can choose any size you want. Now select a picture. I am going to use this wolf face as it is very attractive. Go to Edit Image and remove the photo background. Now I will customize the background color. Okay, now I will go to Elements and search for Black Gradient. Now I will take this gradient overlay. Now I will customize the image by adjusting, and I will convert it into black and white so that it become more clear. Now I will add text. I want to use this quotes as this is very similar to the concept image. I think it is almost done. Now I will download the image. Here is the result. Please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more Canva tutorials in the future.